Sometimes you'll be confronted with something like this. This is still substitution, but you have to work out what the first substitution is to be able to work out the others. As I said earlier, having letters instead of pictures makes this a lot more scary. I'm going to show you how this works using images first. I have a burger, and I add another burger that's exactly the same. And they come to £5. What is the value of each burger? So it stands to reason that they're going to be the same price and that we need to divide £5 by 2. It's £2.50. Now I have a burger and I know that that is worth £2.50. And I've added on a box of fries and it comes to £3.50. What are the fries worth? Well, if I know that the burger is £2.50 and with the fries it comes to £3.50, that must mean the fries are worth £1. I'm just substituting what I've already found out to help me find out the next thing. So here's our third problem. We have a burger and a box of fries and a milkshake, and they come to £5.50. So what's the milkshake worth? I know that the burger and fries together come to £3.50. With the milkshake, that brings the total to £5.50, which is a difference of £2. The milkshake is worth £2. Going back to the one we looked at earlier, this is exactly the same, but instead of using burgers and fries and milkshakes, I've used A, B and C. If we know that A and A equals £5, A's got to be worth the same thing, which means that each of those A's is £2.50. Now I know that A is £2.50 and I'm adding on whatever B is, and it comes to £3.50. What is B worth? I'm going to substitute that £2.50 here instead of the A. £2.50 add B is £3.50. Using the inverse operation, £3.50 take away £2.50 will tell me what B equals. So B equals £1. Now I have A, add B, add C, and that comes to £5.50. What is C worth? I know that A is £2.50 and I know that B is £1, and when we add C, it's £5.50. £2.50 and £1 is £3.50. C brings it to £5.50. £5.50 take away £3.50 means that C must be worth £2. A multiplied by A, which can be written as A squared, simply means whatever A is worth, we've multiplied it by itself. If you have two letters the same in algebra, they have to be worth the same. You can't have two letters the same that are worth a different amount or a different number. If we know that A squared is 9, then what is A worth? We have to ask which number do we multiply by itself to get 9. Some might already be familiar with the concept of square root. That's like the inverse operation of squaring. Finding the square root of 9 is finding the number that has to be multiplied by itself to make 9. And that's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. A multiplied by B is 18. What's B worth? We already know that A is worth 3, so we can substitute there. Now we have 3 times B is 18. If we use the inverse operation, 18 divided by something gives us 3. So if we say 18 divided by 3, that will give us whatever B is worth. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. So B is worth 6. A multiplied by B multiplied by C. We've already established that A multiplied by B is 18. When we multiply 18 by C, we get 36. So this time we take 36 and we divide it by 18, which gives us 2. So C is worth 2. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.